Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to check the full model name of this laptop. So normally you can find the full model name on the back cover of your device right here, but as you can see mine is wiped out, and if yours is too and you still want to find the model name for your device, I'm gonna show you the way how you can do it. So first, turn off your laptop. To do it, tap on the start button, then go to power options and select shutdown. Then once your laptop is turned off, power it on by clicking on the power button once, and then immediately start repeatedly clicking the F2 button, power button, and then press F2 repeatedly. Once you see the BIOS menu, check your service tag right here, write it down, and when you're done, press enter and press escape, then enter, and this way your laptop will boot up into Windows. And once it is booted up into Windows, go to the browser, open it, then go to google.com and input Dell warranty check. Then enter the official Dell website with support, services and warranty, and it inputs your service tag here. Once you're done, you will see the screen like this, and here is the full model name of your device: DELL G15 5515 Ryzen Edition. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.